It is that time of year where your home could use a little refresh, but you don't have all day. In fact, if you could tidy up and refresh your home in under an hour, it would be great. So let me tell you the few steps I take to instantly get my home ready for spring in under an hour. Spring is about starting fresh and feeling energized. So the first thing to do is to look around and recharge all of the items in your home that are battery operated. I have my cameras, my front lamp, my toothbrush, because I like to use rechargeable batteries. So in my case, I've got all of these items and some of them definitely need a recharge. I also use LED battery operated lights for my closets. So it's about time, and it doesn't take more than a few minutes to just gather all of these batteries and put them on a charging station. While you're at it, might as well also make sure that you reset your clocks to the new time if you are in a location that changes time. While the batteries are all charging, my second recommendation is to air out your entire home. Making sure that the entire space has aired out, just got rid of all the funky smells, is a very quick, easy, and efficient way to refresh your space. While the room is airing out, I like to bring the covers down, bring the pillows on the edge of the bed so that the bed gets some fresh air as well. So here we're not talking about stripping all the beds, cleaning all the couches, but really just airing out the textiles that you have in your home, maybe refluffing the pillows, just redoing the bed, and you're good to go. The third step that I would recommend is to do the easiest declutter there is. Sometimes decluttering can be really overwhelming and you can get lost and try to declutter a room, a closet for hours, if not days, because the decision process takes a lot of energy and a lot of time for each item. So here, it's not about decluttering your entire closet, going through all of your toiletries, but really just what I call the easiest declutter there is, meaning just simply going through your fridge and your freezer, removing everything that has expired or gone bad, so there's no decision making really. It's the most obvious declutter. Make room for your next grocery run and empty all of your trash. If you have, trash cans in different rooms, grab them, empty all the trash cans, empty your recycling bins and your compost if you also compost, and that's pretty much it. The fourth step that I would recommend is to do some spot cleaning. So you're not gonna mop your entire house, you're not gonna vacuum like a crazy person. I say that, but I mean, I do vacuum very frequently. What you want to do is to basically tackle that stain that you've been seeing for a few weeks, but you just haven't gotten to it, or dust these dark shelves that you haven't dusted in forever because you don't really use them. They're kind of in a weird spot. Now is the time for a quick dusting in these forgotten areas. The few things that are really dirty that will make a huge difference. And the last step that I would recommend is for you to check your appliances. Do a little bit of maintenance that will have your appliances last a very long time. I feel like a lot of people forget about the maintenance of these items. So in my case, I noticed that I had some mold growing and some dried detergent stuck on my tray for my washing machine. So I took the tray out, I just, with a sponge quickly remove that grime and put it back. I also needed to empty my vacuum filter. You might want to check that the bottom of your dishwasher doesn't have any debris. Empty your dryer filter. Think about the appliances that you have and what needs to be done in your case, and hopefully that will make a huge difference. Now, if you do feel like we just touched the surface here and you actually now want to do more of a full-on spring cleaning, stay tuned because I will post a full spring cleaning video very soon. I make videos about sewing, design, organization, conscious living, so if that's something that interests you, I would love to have you here. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and I would love also to hear what your favorite tips was in this video. If you have another great tip to share with all of us for a quick spring cleaning, make sure you leave it in the comments below. I'm looking forward to see you in the next one. Happy spring! Clearly do as I say and not as I do, because while I was recording this video, my camera battery died because I didn't recharge them.